How to view who follows your playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I will show you how you can view who follows your playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to view who follows your playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is just first of all launch the Spotify application. Once you launch the Spotify application, you simply want to make sure that you're signed into your account, and after you sign in, obviously you'll be able to see this is how it is going to look like. Now what you need to do is to just tap on the Your Library button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the Your Library option as well, you'll be able to see all these sorts of options. Now all you need to do is to just open up a playlist over here. Now keep in mind that in order for people to be able to follow your playlist, you need to have a public playlist. If you've set it to private, obviously other people won't be able to follow it, so you just have to keep that in mind. And what you can do is just tap on the three dots right over here. When you tap on the three dots right at the playlist name right under which, you'll be able to see the number of people who has followed your playlist, but then you'll not be able to see the name of those people. That is because Spotify does not allow you to see who follows your playlist on Spotify directly, because all of this is a matter of privacy, and Spotify is not going to let the general public know as to who follows the playlist. Of course, you can see the number of people that follows your playlist, but you'll not be able to see the direct name of it. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.